Hey, what's up everybody? This is All Out with Mobile WizTech and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the ESR Case Lineup for the iPad 8th Gen. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I get started, if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and a notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I drop new content on my channel. The first case that we're going to look at is called the Yippee Trifold Smart Case. Now this particular case comes in 4 different colors. It comes in a navy blue, in which you see here, black, rose gold, and silver. And this particular case is also compatible with the iPad 7th Gen. So if you had the 8th or the 7th Gen, this will work as well. All right, so let's get this open. All right. Get this out of here. Open up this plastic here. Let's see. Okay. Put this to the side. All right, so you have your material here. All right, so let's get this opened and pull this out. And all you need to do is just drop this in just like this. And you're all set. Now, what I like about this case is you can have your iPad standing either like this, or you can also do it where it's resting like this. So you have both of those options, all right? And you can also close it. And it does shut nice and flush, protecting your iPad. All right, you have your cutout there. You have your volume up and down, camera, and then power. All right, so let's look at the next color. Next, we have the black color. Let's take a look at this one. All right, get this off of here. This is pretty cool. You get that smoke, or if you want to call it tinted back. All right, so let's put this in here. Okay, so that's in there. Here you have it. Of course, you got your buttons there, all your top cutouts, your power button, then your bottom cutouts. And look at that back. You can see the logo. Pretty cool. All right, same thing. You can stand it up just like this. All right, or again, you can also stand it up like so. All right, this case also has a nice grip to it, so it's not going to easily just drop out of your hand, right? All right, so let's take a look at the last case that we have. Now, the last case that we have here is called the Century Stand Case. Let's get this one open. All right, so I'm going to rip this off. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm sure some stuff in here as well. Let's make sure. Yeah, here we go. Get this out of there. Now, this particular case only comes in one color, which is black. All right. And it also has a place where you can place your Apple Pencil too. So that's pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and get this on here. All right, let's drop this in here. This case is harder than the other cases, so you'll get more protection, and the bezels are also raised more, so your screen will be protected as well. But as you can see here, there's a kickstand, and you can place it in one of these slots depending on how you want to view it, just like that. So you can change your viewing angle depending on which slot you choose. Pretty cool. So pretty cool with this case. And of course, again, your Apple Pencil can go here, you can close it, and be good to go. All right. Again, this one is called the Century Stand Case. All three of these cases are available on Amazon, and I will have a link posted in the description if you're interested. So make sure you use that link, as it will help me out. Again, this completes my review for the ESR Case Lineup for the iPad 8th generation. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.